In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Teachable account. To get started, open the official Teachable website. Once you're on the homepage, click Get Started or select the option that lets you create a new account. Teachable offers a free plan for starting a school, so this is a good way to begin without committing right away. Next, choose your account type. If your goal is to create and sell your own courses or other learning products, select the creator or school owner option. This ensures you're setting up the right type of account for building your own online school. After that, enter an active email address that you can access easily. You'll want to use an email you check regularly, especially because platform notifications and account verification may be sent there. Then continue by entering your name and any other required account details. Follow the prompts to create your login credentials and finish the basic account setup. If Teachable asks you to verify your email address, head over to your inbox and look for the verification message. Open it and follow the instructions provided. This step helps secure your account and confirms that your email is valid. Once that's done, return to Teachable and sign in. If needed, use the Creator Login area to access your Creator dashboard. From there, select Create New School. New schools are usually placed on the free plan by default, which makes it easy to start exploring the platform. Now it's time to name your school. Choose a school name that matches your brand or the type of content you plan to offer. Then choose your school URL. Teachable provides a free subdomain in the format of your school name, followed by teachable.com. You can always connect a custom domain later if you want a more branded web address. With your school created, open the school dashboard and review the available settings. This is where you can manage your branding, products, and website setup. To customize the look of your school, go to Site, then Theme. Here you can add your logo, update your colors, and adjust the design settings available to you. Next, go to Products to create your first offering. Teachable lets you create different kinds of products, including a course, digital download, membership, coaching offer, or community. After that, go to Settings and then Payments to set up your payment and payout options based on what's available in your location and on your plan. Before you finish, preview your school carefully. Check your homepage, product pages, and checkout experience to make sure everything looks correct. Then start building your online school by adding content, refining your site, and preparing your products for students.